This is a video tutorial for logging in and purchasing on my OASIS. This is your login page. Enter your email and your password that were created at registration. Click Login. Now this is what my doctor's store looks like. Yours might look a little different. On the far left, you're going to find educational pieces that you're able to click on and learn a little more about taking care of your ocular surface. For purchasing, you're able to click on Add. If this was the recommended product, I would click on Add OASIS Tears Plus. And in my upper right-hand corner is my cart. See this gray dot? If I click on it, it'll open up my cart and I can see the product that I added, the cost, and the quantity. I could change the quantity by adding here or subtracting here. I'm just going to get one. If I wanted this delivered to my home monthly, there's a recurring product button right here. Click on it and it'll turn green. If it's a one-time purchase, keep it white. When I'm ready to purchase, I can see my total here, and all I have to do is enter my CVV code on the back of my card. After entering this, it's normally a 3-digit code, I click on Buy. And within 2 days, I'll have my OASIS Tears at my doorstep. Thanks for watching.